2012 Sonata, same for 2011 to 2014. All you're going to need is a 10, 10, 10, a 12, and a 14. Easy way to change the starter. Decor zone. Ten millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10, 12 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 4 12s. Two 10 millimeters on hose clamps. We're going to remove the air intake hose clamp. Set it off to the side. You don't need to take it off. 4 10 millimeter screws. Connector. Throttle body off to the side. You could probably skip that step. There's a little connector right here on the battery cable. Undo it. I already unclipped it. 2 bolts hold the starter. Boom. Boom. 14 millimeters each, easy to reach. You don't need a universal or this tool, this is just what I had. Starter's loose, electrical connectors are on the back. You do not need to get under the car to reach these. Because we've undone this cable, you can fish it out. Even with one hand, turn it around, and you got the access to the connectors. Boom, connectors are right there. Black nut, 12 millimeters. Starter's out, took less than 5 minutes, even with filming. Here's our factory replacement. Don't get a Dorman's, they're all junk, you know that. Bolts out of the junkyard look like they had a couple drops of factory thread lock. I'm gonna do the same, don't know what the torque spec is. 35 foot-pounds maybe. Back together, elapsed time, 10 minutes, maybe less. Dog's not even bored. And the moment of truth. Fixed.